Cash book, meaning and types. In this module, you will learn about a cash book. You may know that various books of accounts are maintained by a trader to record his business transactions. As a business expands, the number of transactions also increases. To record all business transactions, various books of accounts or ledger are prepared. A small business organization generally records all transactions in a single book and avoids maintaining many books like a big business organization. However, a cash book is maintained by all business organizations, big or small. A cash book is a book that records all cash receipts and payments. As the number of cash transactions is quite large, it becomes necessary for a business organization to maintain a separate book for cash transactions. A cash book is a journalized ledger that is also called the Book of Original Entry. In it, transactions are recorded for the first time from source documents. It starts with cash and bank balance at the beginning of the period. If a business is new, then there is no cash balance to start with. Once a cash book is prepared, cash transactions are not recorded in the journal. It is important to note that while recording transactions in a cash book, it is not necessary to open a cash account in the ledger. Cash book is generally categorized into the following types: a simple cash book, a bank column cash book, and a petty cash book. Let us learn about each in detail. Bank column cash book. It is not always possible for businessmen to deal in cash for all transactions. Most of the time, they deal through a bank, and when the number of bank transactions is large, it becomes necessary for them to have separate bank records. Petty cash book. At times, it becomes difficult for an organization to maintain records for a large number of repetitive small payments such as postage, stationery, cartage, and other expenses in the cash book. To facilitate easy maintenance of such records, an organization appoints a petty cashier. The cashier maintains a separate cash book called a petty cash book to record all such transactions. The petty cashier works on the imprest system. Under this system, he is given a definite amount at the beginning of a period. This amount is called imprest amount, as imprest means advance made to a certain person. The petty cash book has a number of columns on the payment side for the most common expenses. In this module, you have learned the following. A small business organization generally records all transactions in a single book and avoids maintaining many books of accounts. A cash book is maintained by all business organizations, big or small. A cash book records all cash receipts and cash payments. A cash book is a journalized ledger, which is also called the Book of Original Entry. Once a cash book is prepared, cash transactions are not recorded in the journal. Cash book is generally categorized into the following types: simple cash book. It records only cash transactions. Bank column cash book. To record bank transactions, a column is added to each side of a simple cash book. The cash book is then called a bank column cash book. Petty cash book. It is maintained to record repetitive small payments such as postage, stationery, cartage and other expenses.